Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I love talking with everyone in the comments and the community tab. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Also, guys, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, the YouTube algorithm will push this channel out to a lot more people, and it's magic when you guys do that, all right? Would really appreciate it. Let's get straight into it, guys. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Me, my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose. We can lose money like that in cryptos, and I don't want to see that happen to anybody, all right? So please be careful with all of this stuff. Do your own research. All right. Now the formalities are out of the way, guys. Community tab. I do this obviously all the time here based on what I was reading yesterday. Yes, I assumed, and that's the truth, guys, that XDC was going to be listed on Coinbase. I obviously got really excited about it because it is one of my favorite projects, and obviously it's still pending. So there you go, guys. I'm just being open and honest with you. So I just want to put this post up here on my page. And obviously you've got all these other exchanges that XDC has been listed on in the last week, which is crazy as well. So again, I'm still waiting for that Coinbase listing because, you know, obviously there's a lot of news articles out there. There's heaps of stuff on Twitter, and I'm remaining very positive, but it's yet to happen. All right, so still being positive about that. Let's go straight into Coinspot, where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Everyone, there is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin if you do. Please be careful and do your own research, of course, with this stuff. Bitcoin's sitting at $65,000. Now, I watched an interview with Raoul Pal just before, and he pointed out some interesting facts in relation to why the market is down this time, you know, being the end of the year, quarter four of 2021. Obviously, a lot of hedge funds and institutional investors are rebalancing their portfolios. They're taking profits, you know, obviously all this stuff for tax reasons. Come January next year, I think we're going to see an incredible rise because, you know, there's going to be a lot of rebalancing happening in institutional portfolios, and that is the truth. And I'll show you some interesting articles about that in a second as well. But anyway, Bitcoin's sitting at 65,000 Australian dollars, and the rest of my apps are set to USD, by the way. Ethereum 5,500, guys. BNB 758. Solana's at 253, down 3%. Could be a good entry point. XRP, I've got some interesting stuff about that one as well. $1.15. Very bullish on XRP, as everyone knows. DOT sitting at $35. Polygon Matic $3. Crow's at 75 cents. Algo is at $1.94. My other favorites are XLM at 36 cents, guys. Axie Infinity, I will add this because it's an incredible Metaverse project, 136. Mana, I'm still holding that, guys, $4.41. VeChain is at 11 cents. It's an incredible project as well. Got some news updates about that one. Near Protocol, I am holding this down. I'm down now at 9%, guys. So I'm down a lot on this one, $12. Hedera, HBAR, very bullish on this one as well. It's an incredible project with incredible governance board as well. Hashgraph technology. It is different to blockchain. It's well ahead of its time. I think this is a really long-term hold and a good play. Sandbox, obviously, Metaverse coming in next year, guys, going to be crazy, $7. Theta, $5.83. I remember seeing this at like $14. Gala Games, yes, I'm holding that one, everyone, 65 cents. IOTA, banking coin, guys, $1.60. The Graph, GRT, 85 cents. Let's scroll down to my other favorites here, guys. Neo, $36. My other one here, guys, is XDC, and everyone knows I'm very bullish on XDC. I love it. It is so undervalued at 11 cents. Come on, that's seriously undervalued for what it is. Crazy stuff, guys. Even if you got the ex-head of Swift at Andre Casterman, who's involved with XDC as well. So let that one sink in there for a little bit. Anyway, let's get straight into some news stuff, right? Because there's a lot to get through here. XRP. Price forecast in 2022, guys. XRP to see double-digit price and reduced regulatory uncertainty. This is a must. This is very important because I believe that the case is going to be settled and resolved next year. I mean, it's been dragging on now for a whole year. Obviously, December in 2020, it got brought up with the SEC, and now we're at the end of 2021. I don't see this going any further just after Q1, so something's going to happen next year for sure. I'm very positive about that. Ripple seems to be on the front foot with this case, which is incredible. There's a lot of stuff happening with the SEC, with them being sued about, you know, backdoor deals, under-table deals, going back on what they said about Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's just an absolute mess. Got some stuff about that one as well, some videos on my Twitter page. We'll get to that in a second. So Ripple ends 2021 on a strong note by establishing itself as the East in the East, despite the ongoing lawsuit with the US and against the SEC. XRP price burned brightly after the first half of 2021, yes, but its momentum appears to have vanished in the second half. I don't think so, man, because the whales have been accumulating XRP, and a lot of it, mind you. So regardless of the lackluster performance, Ripple and its native XRP token have a bright future ahead of them in 2022. I'm very bullish on this one as well, guys. So the cryptocurrency industry flourished in 2021 after going through a grueling 2020. The recovery has been nothing short of a miracle as Bitcoin and many other cryptos hit all new-time highs. The adoption of digital assets, be in the DeFi, NFT, and Metaverse market has gone through the roof, and we all know that, guys. So Ripple in particular carried its burdens from the last year, but has surprisingly risen through it and made an amazing headway, guys. While XRP price managed to surge speculatory in the first half of 2021, spectacularly, in 2021, the second half saw the momentum dwindle and volatility dry up. Still, 2022 is likely to see Ripple and XRP burn brightly and flourish. So again, you've got all this stuff here in relation to the XRP case if the SEC wins. Obviously, if they win, it's going to be a disaster. So if the SEC wins a lawsuit against Ripple, it will set a precedent for years to come and given the regulatory agency power to control and regulate cryptocurrency projects within a short leash. Now, let's go straight to this part because this is what I love. So if Ripple wins the lawsuit against the SEC, it would likely put the federal agency on the back foot, which I agree is going to happen. That's my opinion, though, which could also denote a paradigm shift in securities laws and for cryptocurrencies, which I think needs to happen because we are so early in this space, guys. Although the potential win could put Ripple in a safe place, existing and upcoming projects might still lack clarity. Obviously, this is going to set a huge precedence, guys. It is literally, and I wrote this down, the financial story of the century. This is how big it is. So, regulators would have to think twice before taking on another huge project like Ripple. XRP price could see a massive boost and set a new record price higher, guys. Raoul Pal, the former head of European hedge fund sales, said that his investment in XRP after this December lawsuit last year has a no-brainer risk to reward statistics. So here we go. It got heavily discounted in the price. And then I looked at it and thought, well, what it's going to do is fall 100% from here to zero. But if it gets solved, it's 10 times. And I'm like, well, that's a no-brainer. Why would you not take a 10-to-1 risk reward? That has a catalyst around it. So, guys, crazy stuff, guys. They're predicting double-digit XRP. So let's see what happens here, guys, because I'm very bullish on XRP. And again, go back to these news updates here, guys. You've got whales buying XRP Ripple. Here you go. This is Ripple whales, guys. Ripple whales increased their holdings, guys. Tens of millions of dollars worth of Ripple XRP are currently on the move at leading crypto exchanges. Apparently, large investors are specifically covering themselves, guys. This is crazy. So again, there's been millions of dollars being transacted through XRP Ripple. So they are buying XRP to build up their portfolios now while the dip is happening, and I think that has got to be a lot of institutions as well, and I've got some Twitter stuff happening on there as well. So let's go into some other news here. So you've got here Australia on track for crypto boom in 2030. End of year report says, guys, Ernest Young, so Australia's cryptocurrency industry could swell up to 30 times its current size by the year 2030. Now, can you imagine if it goes 30 times what it is at the moment, what the prices are going to be? Mind-blowing, guys. Crazy stuff. As of 2021, the sector currently contributes to 2.1 billion Australian dollars, US 1.5 billion, and employs around 11,600 people. But it's with correct reform and growth, the report predicts the figures could swell to 68.4 billion Australian dollars, 48 billion US dollars, which is insane, with over 200,000 people employed in the sector. That's a report coming out from Ernest Young, and I should look this up to show you guys. That's just insane. All right, so check this out. This is in relation to hedge funds and rebalancing. So there's widely held belief that financial circles that hedge funds, pension funds, and insurance companies always rebalance their portfolios at the end of each quarter. We're at the end of, Q4, guys, in December. While no proof or evidence has ever been put forward to confirm the practice or its prevalence, the very idea reinforces a concept that at the end of a quarter is significant, guys. Even if financial players do not always rebalance at the end of the quarter, many investors use this time to reevaluate their own portfolio management, changing which asset comprise their portfolio or setting a new portfolio targets. Not only is it a good idea for investors to monitor their investments from time to time, but rarely is so much new, actionable information released during the end of the quarter. We all know that cryptocurrencies are booming. Raoul Pal even said himself that rebalancing is happening right now. So that is the reason why the price of cryptos and the stock market are down at the moment. So there you go. That's what's happening. I mean, take it from him. The guy was a former hedge fund manager, so he knows himself. So he's putting it out there, which is incredible. And again, back to this news article here, DeFi and cryptocurrencies, like the internet in the early days. I don't even need to say anything, guys. It's like the internet in the early days. So there you go. We're still very early in this stuff, guys. It's insane. So the ecosystem of Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized finance is like the internet in the early days. So believes Sergey Kunz, forgive me if I'm pronouncing his name wrong, co-founder of the decentralized exchange 1inch. His words were pronounced in a panel of Blockchain European Convention, which was held this week virtually, guys. So there you go. Very early. And of course, you've got JP Morgan getting a slap on the wrist. JP Morgan Securities to pay $200 million to settle US regulatory charges on record-keeping lapses. So again, do you think this is going to happen with XRP Ripple? Maybe. I don't know. This is going to be an interesting space, guys. Let's go straight to Twitter. I'm going to go to my Twitter page here. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, guys. Feel free to follow me there because I retweet a whole heap of stuff, guys. Jimmy Val, based on the ongoing discovery, corruption, and unethical practices employed by legal counsel, the SEC.gov or SEC should immediately file a motion to dismiss the SEC vs Ripple case with prejudice. It should happen tonight, and I agree with that, guys. This case is just a sham anyway. Honestly, the SEC's got, their head in the clouds. They're all over the place. They have no idea what they're doing at the moment, and they're not protecting their investors, which is something they should be doing. Here's another tweet from Ripple, guys. Last month, we released our framework for cryptocurrency and digital asset regulation. In it, we encouraged public-private collaboration, call for fostered culture and innovation, and more details, guys. So this is, again, another step that Ripple's taking to help, the adoption and clarity around the cryptocurrency, guys, industry, which is, good on them. I love Ripple. So you got to check this out. 90 million XRP transferred by leading exchanges as whales keep buying. This is what I was trying to say. Whales are buying. This is on the 16th of December, by the way. So what are we now? The 18th, a couple of days ago. 90 million XRP transferred. Check this out here, guys. There was a chart here. Here you go. Look at this. 20 million XRP, guys. Value 16.3 million US dollars. That is insane. 20 million XRP. So that is a lot, guys. So Binance has made 3 transfers of 20 to 12 and 15 million XRP on the GoPax exchange in Seoul, South Korea. Major Korean platform BitHub. BitHum has also moved 20 million XRP tokens. Again, I keep saying this, guys. The whales are buying it. It's true. Keep scrolling down here. XRP is a security USA. The rest of the world, it's not a security. So work that one out. Here's a tweet from Blockworks, guys. This is awesome. This is the Adidas NFT, the first one, guys. Again, just the metaverse stuff. This is all happening. I know Gucci as well, the brand, has done virtual stuff as well. So they're getting in that space as well. And this is Bank of England. Bitcoin could become worthless. Well, as I said in my last video, they invested in Ripple in the early days. So I don't know what they're saying. It's just spreading a lot of FUD. This is in relation to, this is hilarious. And if you go scroll into this, Avalanche here, guys. So this is hilarious. I just thought that was funny. So cryptocurrency here, Ethereum and AVAX and BTC. And you've got this stuff here, this tweet here, guys, so disgusting. So check this out. This is an interview from who is effing funny about this. The SEC literally laughs every time they give their standard disclaimer. They don't mind screwing with your life. Check this in. This is crazy, man. Listen to this.
I think, actually, before I get started, let me just on behalf of all of us sort of give the standard disclaimer that the remarks we give tonight are our own and do not necessarily reflect the views of the Commission or the
Jay Clayton.
Staff. You okay with that?
It's really good to have good lawyers.
And so with that,
they're the ones that are supposedly looking out for everyone's best interests. Gate.io just put out this tweet as well 14 hours ago. I put it up on my video yesterday. XDC, you can earn 100% annual interest rate on XDC if you stake it on Gate.io. The term is 14 days, guys, so that's pretty crazy as well. That's awesome to see that. Ray Dalio, crypto should be a part of every diversified portfolio. I agree. Morgan Stanley came out this morning and said the Wall Street giant manages $6.4 trillion in assets, said the Metaverse will be the next big investment theme, guys. So they're predicting that as well. In also Web3. And this is the SECs all over the place. This is basically Jay Clayton saying about Bitcoins. Check this out.
Securities, is that back? Cryptocurrencies, you've said they are not securities, is that right? I mean, like Bitcoin.
Listen to what he says.
Just because you call something a cryptocurrency doesn't mean it's not a security.
Oh.
We've seen a lot of things that people call a cryptocurrency that are in fact securities. But you referenced one, Bitcoin, which we have looked at and is not a security.
So the average
work that one out. Anyway, so check this out here, guys. Didn't see the SEC Gov attorneys say no to position as taken on Bitcoin. So anyway, they're all over the place, and that's what I just said. What else have we got here, guys? Other stuff here in relation to ISO 222. Again, I keep saying these coins, XRP, XDC, XLM, Quant as well. I'm yet to get into Quant, by the way, everyone. IOTA and Algorand here, guys. The standard. A single standardization approach, methodology, process, repository to be used by all financial standards and initiatives, guys. So again, next year, it's starting in August and will become fully implemented in November next year. So again, we're very early, and I think this, the whole banking coins will go parabolic. Be very aware of that. And obviously, yesterday I posted that video in relation to Michael Jordan coming into the crypto space. I think that's a big thing anyway. So not many people like that video, but anyway, let's go straight into CoinMarketCap and see what's going on in the market. $2.1 trillion, $103 billion. So the volume is up, which is good. 24 hours, we're down, and it always happens on the weekends, guys. The top gainers are Yearn Finance, 26%, AVAX, or Avalanche, sorry, is 11%, Curve Dow, 10%. Bora, have no idea what this one is, guys. It's up 9%. Compound is up 9% as well. Let's go into my portfolio and see what's happening in there, because I actually haven't checked it today, to be honest. Bitcoin, $46,000 US. Cardano, $8.27. Great buying opportunities. XRP, 80 cents. Dogecoin, 16 cents. Shiba Inu, Polygon Matic, $2.11. I'm holding Tron, Stellar, Decentralands at $3 US. VeChain is at 8 cents, guys. That's insane. Oh, and by the way, this news article, why you should buy VeChain. Check this out. Where is it here, guys? I did have it up here. Here we go here. 3 reasons to buy VeChain. There you go. So, VeChain is built for business. We all know that, guys. This isn't just some small-time operation VeChain is running, guys. It is a mega project. The merging IoT and DLT technologies is a big catalyst. The bottom line, the fact that so many high-profile users of VeChain blockchain have seen meaningful business improvements suggests there is a tremendous amount of value accordingly. VET is a native token of VeChain and should theoretically increase in value in accordance with the intensity of use of desirability of the network. Guys, it's a huge project. Really bullish on it, guys. Same with Hedera as well. 25 cents. Sandbox, Theta, Gala Games, BTT, AMP, Neo, Holochain, Ecomi. Theta Fuel XDC is at 8 cents as well, guys. That should be up already at the XRP levels, if not further more than that, because it has no stresses about regulatory clarity at the moment. ANKR, Telcoin, Seacoin, UFO Gaming, I'm holding that one as well, very early. Winlink, Reserve Rights, XYO, Reef, VThor, Electronium, Constellation DAG, Kin, Proton XPR, Acropolis, UVX Network, MetaHero, Olympus DAO, V2, that's what I'm holding. I've got my money staked in Olympus DAO, and I had to merge that to the V2 version, so that's what's happened. So I'm waiting to see what happens with that, guys. I'm seeing some returns, but the price just keeps plummeting at the moment, and Pipple as well. That's just a gamble for me. That's my portfolio. Now, in relation to 3 commas, I know I don't want to keep you guys too long, but again, the bot is trading at an all-time lows because I bought when the market was just up here, and it's just gone boom on my dollar cost averaging bot. Hasn't been making me profits. I need to stay in these deals for a few months by the looks of things. But again, it's made me $453 in profits, which is incredible. I'll link the referral link below. Check it out, and a video on how to set up a dollar cost averaging bot. could be a good time to set one up now while the market's a bit flat, so it'll just, it's a lot easier. But whereas my deals were at the top and now it's at the bottom. And again, I've got 2 bots going at the moment, just because I wanted to try and get some more deals happening in this market, but they're still down. Dollar cost averaging bot, I'm taking 1% profits, 10 USD tether buy orders, 10 USD tether safety orders, and I've got 5 safety orders taking 1% profit. Stop loss is off. These are my deals at the moment, guys. You can clearly see that I'm down significantly on these deals, like 30%, 40%, 50%. So I'm just going to have to leave them and see how we go. And because I just don't feel like touching them, because that's just my tolerance. Everyone has their own tolerance and threshold where they're at the moment, but that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to let them do its thing. Anyway, that's pretty much my video for today, guys. I just wanted to give you an update. I'm still very bullish on the banking coins, especially XRP and XDC. They're my 2 favorites. But again, this is going to be the financial story of the century, guys. So everyone should be paying very close attention to this case. The whales are buying. Let's talk about it in the comments, all right? Stay safe, everyone. Peace, bye.